Hello, this is Niveta. You are 14CS324. In this experiment, we are going to see how to create a website for a company and how we can allow the users to apply for the company by filling their resumes. In this, we have started the head section. Inside the head section, we have given a title. It's Tata Technologies, and I have opened and I have closed the head section. Now we have opened the body section. I have given the background color of the website as light green, and we are creating a table. We are opening a table, and I'm using H1 tag and aligning it to the center. And I need an image of a Tata consultancy, so I'm giving image SRC. It is equal, that is source tata.jpg. It's the name given to the image, and I have given the width and height. I've specified it, and I'm opening td. It's table data, and I'm aligning it to the center, and we are using the same thing as td is equal to left and tr. And now I'm creating, again I'm using a border is equal to 1. I'm creating a border. So I'm just specifying the length as 1. Here again we are using td, aligning it with the center. And here we are I've used hrefs equal to http dot. Here it's an external link which is given. I've given the reference as http.www.tatatechnologies and so and so. And TD, again I'm aligning it. I'm giving the width, and H reference, it is an internal link. And again I'm using the again a link for the manufacturing. And I need, in the head section I need a search box, so I'm giving input types equal to search and names equal to Google search. And I've used a placeholder which will give the hint what we can type inside that. Then here comes that we are just again aligning. We are using a paragraph tag, and we are just aligning it to left, and we are pasting the content of that. In this website I just need audio and a video thing. For an audio, for placing an audio, I've used source src is equal to, and the file name of that audio, and type is equal to audio. And for again I'm closing the table division and again opening a table division, and I need to place a video, so I'm giving that source equal to src, the name of the video. Then we are closing the table. We are opening a new table and just entering what are the inputs we needed for the table, as Tata Technologies, engineering colonies, pin code, mail ID, phone number, and all those things. Um, Here then we are using, I just need to create a form which will allow the user to fill their resumes. So for that I'm using form actions equal to resume.html, and method, just we need to get the input from the user, so we are using that get method. And field set legend, and I'm using it here, it's register here. Because of this, if you click register here, you'll be getting the resume paper, you'll be getting the page of the resume, and you can use that. And I'm using iframe here. I need an we can use the Google Maps also. Just to insert the Google map inside the website, I'm using http.www.embedded map, which will make the Google Maps to just get embedded into this website. And this is how the output will be there. And this is how the output will get. It's that I have pasted a Google website, Tata Technologies place, and I've just given the heading, just splitted the header section. And here I'll have a search box and the video content over here. We'll get the video related to this website, and we'll get the video website. And here an audio, I've given an audio related to this website, and the contact details of that website. And here, I mean sorry, I'm the contact details of the company. And register, here you can give the username and the password, and you can give it as register. Here is the Google map. You can enter the location over here. I'm just entering Karanya University. So when you just give it like this, the map will show the height and details of that, the end location you have entered. And this is what the website looks like. And now we are gonna see how to do that resume. And I have created one more page called resume. In that I have given all the things, whatever the details I needed for the resume. I've given the first name, middle name, last name, and it should be in the text box. It should be given in the text box. So I have given types equal to text and name, and we have used a placeholder. Enter your name. It just gives the hint of that hint to the text box, and which will help the user to fill the data. Then the same wise we have given the address, city name, the state, and all those things. And I have used data list id is equal to state. I just need to select the state from the resume. I mean, what to say, by using a scroll bar you can give the options in which you'll be getting all the state names, and you can choose it. You can choose the state whichever you want from that options. And field set, I have used field set over here. And field set, it will just gives a border, and which will combine all the details, which will club all the details which you need together. In field set I'll be using telephone, mobile, email, and website, all those things I'll be having the details of that. And again the same thing, I have a table which will have the details of the qualification, standard, university, country, starting, and all those things. Again the same ways you can choose your country, which country you belong to, using that option thing. uh, then the same thing, the same procedure it forms. You can give your degrees, whatever the degree you have done, and you can just post a PDF or your resume in a soft copy format. That's by using a file, you can submit it. And this page, run file. When I gave run file, you have got the resume page, in which we are getting the personal details and the address, zip code, and the contact information, and the qualification. You can choose whatever you want from here, and you can choose the file. And here submit your resume. When how to identify that you have submitted your resume? That when you just click your submit your resume, it should need to go to the website page, the company website page, and this will say that you have um, submitted the content, whatever you have typed.